mountain here. When I happened to join Meyo, I quickly had to join a family. So now I realized that the language they were using wasn't actually the language that I could read or understand. So I could always fall back on Google Translate to understand them. These are Arabic speaking, nation. So now I reached a point where I felt like, I have to create my own family after I'd actually invited as many people as I could to Meyo. Those people that could actually understand me, those that we could communicate in English with. You know what I'm saying? So now, this video is all about showing you how you can actually leave a family. It's pretty simple. Let me show you how to. Okay, so now you get there and then click, you've seen those tabs which are at the bottom. Club. Let me try clicking club. Okay, beautiful. So there are those clubs. But the best way you can actually trace your club is by actually clicking on the profile tab. The one which is in the bottom right corner. You click there. And boom, that is your profile. I only hope this will actually be recorded. So now from here, you can click your profile. Come on, profile. And there it is, my family. Beautiful. So now in the top right corner, these are the members of the family that I belong to. You see? So in the top right corner, what you do is you click there where there are three horizontal dots. Click them. And there it is. It's saying quit family. Leave family. Just confirm and say, yes, I'm leaving the family. And boom. Oh my God. And you've left the family just like that. Just like that. That's how we do it. So in the next video, I'll show you how you can actually create a family.